Okay, so today we're going to talk about the three states of matter. Okay, so in chemistry, we have these three states of matter. Well, although there are actually 5 states, we're just going to focus on the 3 states, which are solid, liquid, and gases. So what this video is going to show you is how particles move around in a solid, liquid, or gas. I'm also going to explain to you how there can also be changes in states of matter and how particles move around during those changes. So this is how particles act in a solid, and the styrofoam balls represent the particles. So they don't move fast enough to overcome the strong attraction between them. So therefore, they are close together and vibrate and rotate in place. Next, this is how particles act together in a liquid. So in a liquid, these styrofoam balls are moving fast enough to overcome some of the attraction between them, and the particles are close together, but they can actually slide past each other. Finally, this is how particles act in a gas. As you can see, they move fast enough to overcome almost all of the attraction between them, and the particles are far apart and move independently from one another. So therefore we can find that a liquid has more energy than a solid, and a gas has more energy than a liquid, and vice versa for each. Now I'm going to show you the 6 changes in states of matter, which are melting, freezing, boiling, condensation, evaporation, and last but not least, sublimation. Now what's happening right now is you're going to start to see a solid melt into a liquid. So right now energy is being added to the particles, which makes them move faster and become a liquid state. However, as the energy level is decreased, then the particles start to slow down and you see the effect of freezing, or a liquid changing into a solid again. Now you're going to witness the process of a liquid changing into a gas, which is normally called boiling or evaporation. So when energy is added to the liquid, the particles move faster, so it becomes a gas. And suddenly, when the energy starts decreasing, the particles move slower. So as you can see right now, they're becoming a liquid again, which makes it condensation. Now I'm going to show you how sublimation works. So energy is suddenly added to a solid, and then the particles speed up so fast that they break apart from each other completely and become a gas. And this is called sublimation.